So it's 220 volt. This has worked fine when it was working. Machine, this is all good. Power is on, off and on, and then connected to the machine just the way it should be. Feeder is connected. Turn it off, on, nothing happens. Keep it on and then turn on the ball feeder, and the feeder is working. Tells me it's getting power, but the motor doesn't seem to be working. Turn it on, nothing in the motor. Feeder works. Nothing is happening to the motor. Just stuck. Press reset, all that. Nothing seems to turn it on. And turn back the feeder. It's working fine, but not the machine, which worked fine before, not anymore. Thank you.